Next video. In today's video I will show you how you can easily integrate chatgpt or the openai apis in your application. So let's get started. So firstly, what you will have to do is you will have to go to platform.openapi.com/api keys. If you are not already signed up or login, you will have to log in or sign up first. Once you do that, you can just click on create new secret key. It will give you a new secret key. Make sure you copy it and save it somewhere safe. Once you do that, all you have to do is you will have to go to playground over here. So platform.openapi.com/playground, and instead of assistant you will have to select chat. So I have already selected chat. Now you can tell the system, like the assistant, how like what exactly it should do. So suppose I want some cricketing information. Okay, so I can tell it like cricket is a sport. You are a cricket analyst and a cricketing freak who knows everything about cricket. I mean, even if you don't give this, it's fine, but it's better to give it just so that the system would have more context. And here I can write something like who won the World Cup in 2011. Okay, now if you want you can submit this, but if you want to integrate this inside a node.js or python, what you can do is just click on view code. That's it, you get all the code for this. So this is the python code for it. If you want in node.js, you can do that as well. If you want it in curl, you can do that as well. One important thing is so here for node.js it tells that you have to pass this open api key, but for python like it should have specified like you need to pass the api key over here. So your output might look something like this. So firstly you will have to pip install open api, and then you will have to pass this api key equal to my api key, something like this for python. And for node.js you will first have to install open api. So I think npm install open api would do it, and then just pass your open api key for it. So yeah, and it will give you the answers for it in a particular format. I mean, just make sure I will show you the output as well. So the output is not really straightforward. So currently here it is straightforward, but if you check the view code over here, so yeah, I think also over here it is a little bit straightforward. But if you try to integrate the api and print a response, then the output might not be pretty straightforward. Like for node.js it might be in json format, and for python I think the equivalent, whatever is the format, I think it is dictionary or something. So yeah, just make sure you filter out the data, what exactly whatever data you need. So yeah, thank you, bye.